From the engineering and medical entrance exams to the National Recruitment Agency to conduct a common entrance test for government jobs, President Ramnath Kovind, in his address to a joint sitting of two houses of parliament, has highlighted several points for students and job seekers across the country. So here in this video, we'll talk about a few important key takeaways from the President Ramnath Kovind's speech at Parliament. President applauded the government for conducting the entrance exams despite the pandemic. He said, "This has saved an academic year for students across the country. Ever sensitive towards safeguarding the interests of the students, my government has also successfully conducted the JEE and NEET examinations in order to prevent the loss of an academic year," says President. The exams were held despite protests from a section of students for the academic year 2020. This year, the entrances and board exams have been delayed due to the pandemic. While the exam dates for JEE mains have been announced, along with the relaxation of doubling the number of attempts for the exam, the dates of NEET 2021 are anticipated. It is reported that the Education Ministry is in talk with the Ministry of Health to contemplate conducting the medical exam twice a year. He also acknowledged the new education policy or NEP 2020. Keeping in mind the global requirements and challenges of the 21st century, the government has announced the National Education Policy. For the first time, students have been given the freedom to opt for the subjects of their choice under the National Education Policy. Students have also been providing the option of changing their subjects or stream in the middle of a course. The government will focus on making education more inclusive, especially for economically and socially deprived communities. Journey of the most deprived section towards social and economic development begins with access to quality education, said the President. More than 3.2 crore such students are benefiting from various scholarship schemes of the government. These include students belonging to scheduled caste, backward classes, forest dwellers, tribal community, and minority communities. The central government's share in the funding of post-matric scholarship scheme for scheduled caste students is also being enhanced. Further, the network of Eklavya model residential schools is being expanded to cover every tribal-dominated blocks to facilitate the education of tribal students. So far, more than 50 such schools have been sanctioned, informed the President. The youth have benefited greatly from discontinuation of interviews for recruitment to Group C and Group D posts. By setting up the National Recruitment Agency, the government has freed the youth from the inconvenience of appearing for multiple examinations, said President Kovind. It is an effort in simplifying and streamlining the recruitment process for jobs, according to the President. So that's all from the speech of the President in favor of education. So please let us know in comment section below that which part of the speech you liked the most. And if you want to be updated with latest news and career tips, then do subscribe to our YouTube channel. So bye bye and meet you up in next video.